All right, so example, find the six trig function values for theta. You're given this picture. First thing you want to do is write so ka toa because we want the six trig function values. We'll start off with sine of theta. We know that's opposite over hypotenuse. On our picture though, which one's the opposite? Okay, well, let's start labeling this. This one right here, the one across the 90, should be the hypotenuse. Here's the angle that's given. And this one becomes the opposite. That's the one directly across it, and this is the adjacent. So now the only problem is how do I find the hypotenuse? Yeah, it's O over H. Yeah, to find the H, Pythagorean theorem. Careful, try it. Because it's A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. It's 3 squared plus 5 squared is equal to C squared. So what is this, 34? And then square root. It's supposed to be plus or minus, but I get rid of the negative because why? Yes. Side can't be negative. So this is the square root of 34. So opposite over hypotenuse is going to be 5 over square root of 34. Now, on this textbook, or rather on the assignment that I give you, they do simplify these. They rationalize the denominator. So just simplify this times the square root of 34 over square root of 34, which is what? Just 5 square root of 34 over 34. So that's what sine of theta is. What's cosine of theta? A over h, which is going to be A is what? 3. Hypotenuse is square root of 34. And the same thing, just simplify it. So times the square root, or rationalize the denominator. 3 square root of 34 over square root of 34. And the last one, tangent, is what? O over A, which is O is 5, adjacent is 3. So just simply 5/3. Sine is associated with which one? Secant or cosecant? Cosecant. So I'm going to write it right below it because cosecant is what? Right, so you just end up flipping it. So it's H over O. Here's the thing. I would not flip this answer, the 5 square root of 34 over 34. I would probably flip this answer right here. Square root of 34 over 5. Reason for that is if you flip this answer right here, the square root is going to stay on the bottom now, and then you have to do the simplification or the rationalization again. So what is secant of theta equal to? Yeah, square root of 34 over 3 because you just flipped this one right here. And then cotangent of theta is 3 over 5 because all you have to do is flip that.